And we're on the road once again with the Dubai Community Management right here at Santa's Toy Factory at 1 JBR.
It's an amazing event. A lot of things to do for the kids, especially face painting, activities, few games on the stage as well.
Merry Christmas to you, sir.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We were waiting for this event and we really loved this situation. The kids were so excited. We are all very happy for this initiative. Thank you.
I think it's a nice idea to have here in Dubai such a nice organization of Christmas mood. I think it's really nice. It's awesome.
Merry Christmas!